You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign, baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here?
Hey gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I am revealing contact lenses from EYEVOS. Okay, so these contact lenses came in this cute box you're seeing right here. How gorgeous is this? And also they added some lashes. They are magnetic lashes. Which are these ones?
When the lights go out and there's no doubt.
So gorgeous, I don't want to waste your time, so I want us to just move ahead to this video. You guys know when it comes to contact lenses, I am in for it. I love me my contacts. Okay, so these ones, they are from EYEVOS. Like I said, it came with an applicator. Use this to apply the contact on your eyes, and you use this to bring it out from the solution. You don't need to dip your hand inside the solution. Okay, I have in here 4 styles with me, which I'm going to share with you guys today, and there are some instructions that you must follow before you apply these contact lenses. I have opened them down because you have to put it in the solution before you wear them for like 6 hours. Okay, to wear these contact lenses, there are some instructions you have to follow. I'm going to read them. Here are a few steps for wearing your lenses. Please read it carefully. Before the first time wearing, please soak the lenses in multiple purpose contact lens solution for at least 6 hours. Please take off your lenses before sleeping. Please do not attend any water sports when wearing lenses. Always wash your hands before wearing / removing or handling your contact lenses. Take off lenses before removing makeup. Okay, so those are the instructions that we are given that we have to follow before you wear your contact lens. So guys, in here I have 4 contact lenses that I want to try with you guys. So the first one is Rikaki, Polar Light, Russian Blue, and the last one is Ocean. Okay, so those are the 4 contact lenses that I want to try with you guys today. If there's any discount code, I'm going to leave it on the description box, so check that out. You know, you can never go wrong with contact lenses. Yeah, in case if you don't know how to apply contact lens, I'm going to wear one with you guys direct. In case if it's your first time, okay, it's very easy. Contact lenses, to apply them is very easy, and to remove them as well is very easy. Make sure your hands are clean. Okay, sometimes I use the tip of my fingers, sometimes I use an applicator, which they added to this. I have shown you guys before. This is the applicator, and this one, you use this to bring the contact lens out, because you don't need to dip your hand inside. Okay, pick it here. So this is it. I'm just going to place it. Make sure you're careful so that I don't know what. Okay, all right, this is how it should be with your applicator. You see this? Then you're going to look downward, shiny your eyes. Because I'm wearing makeup, I don't want stains, so I'm going to use my hand to drag my eye. I'm looking downward because I have mirror here. Make sure there's a mirror in front of you. And you wear that. You see, it's very easy. You see this? Oh, I like this. So you can see this This is my natural eye, and this is the one with the contact. This is charming. So you can see my natural eye because I have this black eyeball color, and this is the contact lens, and this one is the ocean brown.
My medical, she like my baby mama, know how to take care of me.
So this is the two on. You can see this is so gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. It's ocean brown.
Give it to you. Miss that smile. Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style. So something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well.
So guys, this one is the Russian blue. I like the blue color inside. See, it's like sky blue mixed with black in the center, or is it my eyeball? I don't know. This is so gorgeous. I love this one so much.
Gotta let them know. Came through the front door. I'll be ready for.
This is my eye, and this is the lens. You can see this is so gorgeous. Looks sexy on me. So this is the second one on.
Feel it, baby. Stress is all around us. These high ceilings, and I need it.
So this is the polar light gray. You see, this is my eye, and this is where the contact lens is. You can see on my right side, my left side is my natural eye. You can see this is gorgeous.
For how your mind works, yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till.
I don't know what happened to this one. Okay, it's okay now. Alright.
Baby, give me a sign.
So guys, this is the last one. This one is Rikaki. You can see it has this kind of khaki color around it. You guys can see. Yeah. Oh, my lashes. Please pardon this, okay? Because my lashes are they are pulling up.
Be in your arms again.
This one is Rikaki. I like this one. It has khaki color around it. You can see. This is gorgeous. This is the contact, and this is my natural eye. You see the difference? This is gorgeous. What do you think? It's gorgeous. Wow. This is so lovely. I love this khaki color. It's called yellow Rikaki. Oh, my battery is gone. So let me put the other one on so that we see. Okay, so I like this style, this Rikaki with yellow round, yellow and khaki color, something like that. Yeah, I like this. What do you guys think?
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you.
So guys, that is it for these contact lenses from EYEVOS Shine in Crowd. I'm going to leave the link to all the styles I wore on the description box. So if you like anyone, just head to the description box, and they have so many styles on their website. Even if you don't like these ones, go to their website. You're going to see some other ones. One last thing I want to do, I want to show you how you can remove this very easily. So what you do, you drag your eye down, then you widen your eyes, you push this to the corner, and you pinch it out. So voila, that is it. Bye. Ciao.
Give me a sign.